Did you know that simply adding lemon to your water can provide over 10% of your daily vitamin C requirement? It's a small and easy change that can lead to surprising health benefits. Did you know that drinking lemon water can potentially increase your daily vitamin C intake by over 10% with just 1 ounce? I thought, why not give this a try for 30 days? Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. I'm your host, Anna, and today I'll be sharing my journey of drinking lemon water every day for a month. Initially, I was skeptical, but curious to see if the touted health benefits were real. Let's dive in. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for our overall health, yet many people struggle with it daily. Common issues include the blandness of plain water, making it less appealing to drink consistently throughout the day. As a result, we often reach for flavored beverages, which can be loaded with sugars and additives that have long-term negative health effects. Lemon water is frequently recommended as a fantastic alternative to these sugary drinks. By simply adding lemon to water, you not only enhance the flavor, but also bring a wealth of potential health benefits into your routine. From boosting vitamin C intake to aiding digestion and improving skin health, this simple addition can make a big impact. This is why I decided to embark on a 30-day challenge to see how making this small change could help tackle common hydration challenges and enhance my overall well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to Getting Sexy Back for more insights. My daily routine of drinking lemon water was pretty straightforward, but it did require some commitment. I started my day at 9 a.m. with a meticulously measured mason jar of lemon water, ensuring I squeezed an ounce of fresh lemon juice, along with a quarter of the lemon itself, into every cup. By noon, I made sure I had already consumed at least 4 cups. As the day went on, I continued to drink lemon water, aiming for a total of about 10 cups. Several challenges popped up along the way. Firstly, the constant trips to the bathroom were a bit inconvenient. Additionally, there were moments when I missed the rich taste of other beverages. However, the changes I noticed made it all worthwhile. My skin appeared more radiant and even-toned, my hair felt thicker, and my nails were noticeably stronger. Surprisingly, I also experienced fewer muscle cramps and milder PMS symptoms. Even a nasty fall down the stairs resulted in no bruising, which I believe was due to better overall hydration. Overall, the experience was incredibly revealing and rewarding. The most significant change I noticed, and this really took me by surprise, was the remarkable improvement in my overall energy levels. Halfway through the challenge, I realized that I didn't rely on my usual caffeine boost as much. My typical morning grogginess was replaced with a natural zest and alertness that lasted throughout the day. Also, I experienced fewer energy slumps in the afternoon, which often made my post-lunch hours more productive. Another unexpected benefit was the improvement in my skin's texture and clarity. I was genuinely astonished when a stranger complimented my skin's brightness and even tone. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical at first, but these consistent observations over 30 days clearly highlighted the potential benefits of lemon water on my health and energy levels. Looking back on my 30-day lemon water challenge, it's clear that the experience brought about some significant changes. From the positive aspects like improved skin, hair, and energy levels, to the negative side effects such as potential enamel erosion, the journey was quite enlightening. Overall, the health benefits far outweighed the drawbacks, making me a believer in the power of lemon water. If you've tried lemon water or have any unique experiences with it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check out our next video packed with hydration tips to keep you feeling your best. If you enjoyed today's discussion and found it insightful, be sure to subscribe to Getting Sexy Back for more engaging and informative content. From tackling common health myths to sharing practical wellness tips, we're here to help you on your journey to a healthier, more vibrant life. Follow us on your favorite podcast platform and don't forget to leave a comment or a rating. Let's stay connected and inspired together. Thank you for joining me, Anna, today. See you in the next episode.